Okay, so we're going to create a satin stitch. Now, I want to kind of go over for a satin stitch. A satin stitch is something when you're filling something in and you want it to have a solid color. Most times what people will do is they will put a ring around it, or they'll put like some kind of border around it, and then they'll fill it in. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, satin stitches, let me go back to this. You can have it where it's close, or if you want, you can make them a little further apart. So it almost feels like they're kind of like light and airy, or they're more solid. Okay, so let's do a small rectangle. Actually, let's do a small triangle. So we're gonna pull from the back. We're gonna do long stitches. Okay, pull through. All right. Now we're going to do a back stitch in order to create this triangle. Go forward, go back. Okay. There we go. And then we're going to come back up to this triangle right here at the top. And then we're going to go in. All right, there we are. Now, you ever wonder what's the back side looking like? It's pretty ugly. It's kind of the ugly side, the nice side. All right, in order to fill, what we're going to do is we're going to be careful and we're going to just make rows. So we come up, we go across. This one takes a little bit, but honestly, it is the best because it makes it look so good. Okay, so go close to your first stitch. You're just going to fill it in. There we go. Oop. Got a little bit short on that one. Okay. Now, if you wanted to, you could totally create like, let me see. I'm going to move this over, this stitch over, and see if I go right under it, if it would make a difference. Go under this one. I can fill it in. Oh yeah, see how it's starting to really fill it in? There we go. Now we're going to do a little small stitch up here. Little itty bitty one. Beautiful. So satin stitch is, very close. If you have any that are like really far apart, like see example, like right here, these two are kind of really far apart. You can easily go back and fill this one back in. Okay. There we go. Now it's really filled in. All right. So those are your satin stitch. Okay. All right. And underneath here, it's going to look a mess. All you have to do is loop under. Okay. And then we're going to put in our knot around and just tie it off. Just like that. Okay. All right. Good job.